Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool machine right here, and basically what this is a portable space heater. You can see it's from the brand called Givebest, and this is basically what the product looks like right here. So see at the bottom of the package right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. So they mentioned how it has the overheat protection, it has a tip over protection, it has 3 different settings in terms of the temperature on here, and they mentioned how the product is definitely quiet when you guys use it. So see the one that we got right here is a silver one. They do have this available in a few other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which you guys prefer. But let me actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open the package, they probably got the user manual here to teach you guys how to use it. And right underneath that, we see we do have the protection layer right there. So let's take it all out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, you can definitely see the product is all nicely wrapped up. But let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once you take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So you can see for this space heater right here, the way how to design it is like a portable space heater. So you basically want to put it onto your desk or somewhere near you guys. If you guys notice at the bottom right here, it doesn't have any oscillating option on here, so it's just a fixed position. If you can see on top right here, they do give you guys a handle option, so that way it allows you guys to carry around if you guys need to. And then for the top part right here, we do have the switches to activate the product and change different modes on here. So definitely change the fan speed level on here and the temperature setting as well. And basically the way how to design this heater right here is a ceramic heater. So this actually looks like in the front, and this actually looks like in the back. So you see right here, they probably got the plug outlet, so you definitely plug it in to actually activate the product. And you see in the bottom of the product right here, they do have the tip over protection. So once you guys push it down, that will activate it. And then once the product tips over, it turns off. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so we have the product all set right here. And I do have my temperature checker right here. So we press it. So currently it's showing 75 degrees, but let's turn on the product. So the first option right here, I want to turn on the fan. Alright, so when you turn on the fan, it definitely feels like cool air on here. And we see how she maintained around like 75 or 76 degrees. But now let's turn on the heater option. Alright, so definitely see the temperature on here is going up. So definitely heats up pretty fast. And basically right now we have it on speed level 1. Let me just turn off the speed level 2. Alright, so definitely see the product definitely heats up a lot. It heats up around to like 200 degrees. You definitely have the option to actually change the temperature on here as well. So it's bring all the way down. It turns off. Right when you guys bring halfway, it does turn on. But definitely when you guys feel the temperature on here, it is pretty hot. It's around like 230 degrees, if you can see right here. So you can see the heater option definitely does work, and the fan option definitely does work as well. But when you guys tilt the product basically turns off. But once you guys push back down, it starts working again. So you can see everything on here definitely does work. The fan option, the heater option, the thermostat, and also the tip over protection as well. But I definitely love the fact that how they actually have this option right here where you guys can carry around really easily. But you can see the product definitely does work and actually heats up really fast. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. So literally all you need to do is plug in the cable and definitely change the different settings on here in terms of the temperature setting, the fan speed, and etc. But definitely if you can see when actually test out the product, it definitely works pretty well. The product actually heats up really fast. It definitely has like the tip over protection on here when you guys actually use it. But definitely one thing to remember is the way how to design the product. Like I mentioned earlier, it doesn't have like the oscillating option on here. It only goes in one fixed position. So if you guys are trying to look for an oscillating space heater, this is probably not the one for you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality space heater that only goes in one direction, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.